Hey foodies, today Chef Pete is making prawns and cod, and I'm gonna cook them in this pan over here on top of the stove. And the first thing we need to do is get a little flour over here, because the prawns I'm cooking and the fish need just a little bit so that everything sticks to the top of it, right? This beautiful breading I've got over here. I've got some panko crumbs, some Italian crumbs, and we're gonna get this going up like this. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with our fish. I've got 2 pieces of cod. Let's go into the flour and flip him over. Just get him flipped over into the egg, just like this, and right into here. Flip him over here again. You can do it with this, or you don't have to do it with this way, but on the prawns, if you put the flour first, the breading will stick much better to your prawns, okay? And to your fish, if you so choose to do it. Okay, so in I'm going to go and get this pan back on here. All right. Alrighty. We'll get our fish going here. It's starting to go. All right. And then what I want to do is I'm going to get my prawns here. Right here, I've got my prawns. And we're going to throw them right in the flour and kind of get them all going here. The fish is going. I hear it. Get the flour on the prawns. Just get it on there. They're a little wet. It's okay. Don't hurt nothing. All right, and then we're going to take our prawns and go right into our egg. Just like this. Get it mixed up. Get it on there. Get it all over it. There we go. Get it right in here. Don't worry about it. It's just cooking. And you know, you're going to get your fingers dirty. You're going to get everything all. And then we're going to mix this up. I like to get these all going in here like this. So we get some nice breading on these. And we're going to cook these separate. All right. All right. I don't like them totally covered. I like them this way, and my fingers need to get rinsed while Anthony is showing you the fish that started to cook in the pan over there. And I need to get my fingers clean because I've got flour and breading all over them here. Okay. And
sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
Yeah, we're cooking away over there. Okay. I've got olive oil going in there, and I have got our breading on the fish. Now, so we're going to hold this here. Okay. And let me see how we're doing here. We just want to get these started, and then I'm going to pull them out and get our shrimps in there. There we go. You can deep fat fry these shrimp. You can do them tempura style. I like just a little bit of breading on them and crunch because it doesn't take long to do these. These are already cooked. They come out of the freezer and I thaw them out, and then I take the tails off. And the tails come right off. You just pull them once they're defrosted, and they are looking good here. Okay, let's flip him over. There we go. Oh my goodness, there we go. Look at this beautiful fish, everybody. Oh my God. We're gonna take this and set it over here and keep it warm in just a minute. And first,
getting nice and brown.
We need to get it so he cooks on this side. It doesn't take long to do fish. This little piece is done. This one's almost there. Fish and prawns don't take long at all to do, okay? No, it's fine.
Smells like fish. Nice and breaded and light.
Absolutely beautiful, huh, everybody? Let me see how this other side looks. Oh, he's getting there.
Yeah, you might need a little bit more.
Okay. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get them over here on this warm plate. And we'll keep them right up here on top of the oven. All right. Now, I'm going to add a little more olive oil to this so we have enough to do these prawns. And we'll give it a second there to heat up. Just like this. Just give it a few minutes to get hot.
Looks like it's sizzling again.
And then I'm gonna go right in. Right in. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, this looks beautiful.
Get a little crunch on them. You can make them any way you like. I like to do them on top of the stove so I can watch them. And then what we're going to do is pull these over here with the fishy.
Could be good with a lemon peel or something.
I made a nice, and I'm going to put these just like this. See?
Taste it. I like it for I like when they get nice and dark.
These are already cooked, everybody, so we're basically warming them through and browning our nice breaded pieces here. See? Okay, so there we have it. Chef Pete's easy fish cook-up today. And we like to cook for you guys, don't we? Okay, 1,000 likes today. That's where we're headed. This is Peter Carpizzo's out.